Now, as we go through this course, you're going to hear me say about 38,000 times that you simply must get hands-on experience with Server 2008 and with Active Directory, or you will not pass this exam. That is almost a guarantee. One of the things you're going to have to do is get yourself a copy of Server 2008 and just play with this thing. And I'm going to give you a couple of suggestions here. First of all, if you will go to Microsoft.com and then just do a search within their site on Windows Server 2008, you can find it. I would go show you, but they will change the links by the time this gets produced and edited and out to you. So I'm just going to tell you about it. Go to Microsoft.com, search for Windows Server 2008, and you want to get a download trial evaluation edition. For right now, I'm going to use the one in this course. All the examples you're going to see are in the eval edition that I downloaded off Microsoft's website, and I did that because as close as possible I want to mimic what you're going to be looking at when you're going through this course. So that's what I was trying to do there. So you're going to see exactly what I'm seeing as we work through here. So go to Microsoft.com, download the Server 2008 trial. You can also search for the Server 2008 homepage, and as of now the trial is 180 days. Now a little aside here, download this thing, you'll get an ISO. You can burn it onto a DVD, or I'm going to show you a better deal in just a minute. When the trial expires, just simply blow that copy away, use the ISO, and reinstall another one. You get another 180 days. Obviously, this thing is not licensed for productions. Now, you can also go to Microsoft's webpage and do a search and download the Server 2008 VHD, or virtual hard disk. Now, that will give you some files that are created kind of as a virtual hard disk, hence the name, right, VHD. And with that, you can load that VHD into a product like Virtual PC 2007. And if you've never played with these, you need to take a look at them. It will allow you to open a window on your desktop and boot up into Windows Server 2008. So even though you're running Vista, you can run Server 2008 in a window on your desktop, fully functional. You can play with it, you can network it, you can get out to the internet with it, you can do all kind of cool stuff. And then when it expires, you just simply erase the virtual hard disk and nothing has happened to your computer. Now, let me give you a little warning here. If you have Vista as your operating system, Virtual PC acts kind of funky with Vista. And I have found a really, really cool substitute for Virtual PC, and that is a product from Sun called VirtualBox. And this thing is absolutely free, at least it is at the time of this video production. And I use VirtualBox in the Vista environment and absolutely love it. Very, very similar to Virtual PC, but it actually seems to run a little faster. And then, of course, there's everybody's favorite in the virtualization world, VMware. If you know what I'm talking about here, I would definitely go the VHD route. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to spend some time out on the internet and learn about Virtual PC, VirtualBox, and VMware. If you want to hit the middle for a free one that's very easy to use and just an excellent, excellent product, I'd go with VirtualBox. Works great in Vista and everything else. But this is very easy. It's not going to cost you a dime. It'll cost a little bit of time. Now this download, either the VHD or the 180-day trial, is going to be around 3 gigs or a little more. So depending on your internet connection, it's going to take a while. If you're a dial-up customer and you don't want to wait that long, you can also call Microsoft, or you can order it online, and just for shipping, they will send you the DVD with that trial on there. So lots of ways to get it. You can also look in the bookstores, and some of the training and certification books will have a trial copy of Server 2008 on the DVD in the back of the book. You don't see those as much as you used to, but look around, you might can find them. But the bottom line is, you need to get that experience on installing Server, installing Active Directory. That's what I like about the virtual environments. Once you get a VHD up and ready to go, just simply make a copy of those files if you have the hard disk space. Once I get one configured like I like, I'll just copy it, and then I've got a backup copy. And then if you do something goofy or stupid and you damage the thing, so what? You just point it to that other VHD and you're ready to go. This is the real way to get hands-on because it's totally non-threatening. You can work at it. You can do whatever you want to, try things. If you blow it up, so what? So anyway, get some hands-on. Okay, I will say that another 36,000, 37,000 times in this video. get some hands-on with Windows Server 2008. And I will show you as we go through here the areas that you absolutely need to know and need to be comfortable with before you go take this exam.